That's right. Win $100
just for listening to the radio.
It's Bob and Marianne's super-sized Song of the Day from the Bra and Girdle Factory. For 50 years, the place you'll find a large selection of bras, shapewear, swimsuits, and post-mastectomy products. Route 70 at Lakewood. And the Jersey Shore's Good Time Oldies Station. WOBM AM, 1160, 1310, and WOBMAM.com.
Join the all-new WOBM AM Clubhouse at WOBMAM.com. Enter to win great prizes such as a $500 gas card, a $250 Target gift card, $50 McDonald's gift card, tickets to the Beach Boys on June 27th at PNC Bank Arts Center, and much, much more. Play games, answer trivia, get prizes, all at WOBMAM.com. Powered by Meridian Health, taking care of New Jersey.
Seize the deal and save. Visit seizethedeal.com and click on Jersey Shore to save 50 to 90% off the Shore's favorite restaurant.